living rooms, bedrooms, dinettes. Oh yeah, come shop with us. Be sure we're talking corner furniture. You want the best, forget about the rest. You like us, we're sure. We're talking corner furniture. You want it, you need it, we got it. Hey, let's dance. We got it. Low prices every day. Corner Furniture, Bronx, New York.
Hey, Mr. Carson, welcome to Corner Furniture. What can I help you with today?
Well, I'm looking for something, that's in my price range. I want something maybe like a love seat that costs round about $250,000. Do you have something like that for me?
Hey, let me go check in the back. You want to check with your wife, see if you guys can afford it?
Candy, do you think that we could? Nigga, we could afford this shit. We ballin', baby. We the head of HUD. You understand what I'm saying? Head of HUD stands for hella money, nigga. So let's get this paper. Also, I saw a China set that was beautiful. I didn't even price it, and I don't care because I'm trying to get this money. I just want one of everything. Do you have a menu, perhaps, or something that can show me your items?
You want one of everything?
Yeah, just give me the inventory book, and I want one of everything. I want bunk
Even
beds.
a little ivory elephant.
Yes.
Table.
Oh, beautiful. I want ivory elephants. I want bric-a-bracs. I want knick-knacks. I want patty wax and willy wax. I want everything. You understand me? Because I'm the head of HUD, and I deserve the best.
This might make none of my business, but is this your money or this is taxpayer money?
Listen. That's a question that you don't have clearance to get the answer to, okay? So stick to your little, you want it, we need it, hey shit, okay, little nigga? Don't fuck with the big boys, the big B's, a.k.a. Ben Boston, doing the motherfucking intro for episode 102, nigga. That means if you pass 101 and you're remedial and you move up in the world, motherfucker, you in 102. This is episode 102, nigga. Get some fucking knowledge in your cranial. Wendy, fucking I called you the wrong name. My bad, boo. You know what I'm saying? I was on Backpage last night. Candy, hit these niggas with the wind chime music one time. Do the motherfucking drop right after 2, nigga. Make it sexy.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Let's make it sexy. Yo, hey, Bodega Boys in the house.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Live from 220 West East Street. Listen, it's a nasty nor'easter out here. Traffic was a mess, but we here to give you that live art, the dedication. You know what I'm saying? You know what?
The levels of dedication are so intense that I was just telling niggas before I came in here, there was a sign every quarter mile on the way in here that said, yo, do not be on the road.
Yeah.
Do not be on the road.
Yeah, it was like, on the news is what it was like, yo, if you don't have to go in,
if you're not a firefighter,
but you know
get
what
off the road.
People need the art.
That's right.
People need the art.
We
Also,
bring it to y'all.
I feel like if we don't do the art, our chest will just explode. Just creativity.
Oh, my God.
Or, just build up semen. It's whatever.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pockets Face Fat like Tyrio, a.k.a. Chris Stapps, Porcelain Dick, Eli Lippy, Boochers, Boochie Gully, somebody I might know you, bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Say Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rando, Mule Nova Santa Nova Day, Quattro in Nueva York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Local Gunga, people pulling up from 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool.
I don't fucking know you, nigga. Damn.
That's right, don't. Not trying to make new friends. Who makes new friends after the age of 22? The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. DJ Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jamaican avocado toast, Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa, Young Charcoonery, without the coonery.
Without it.
A.k.a. Chili Limon, that had to leave for the Yankees, Gay okay.
Oh, papi, estamos en time este weekend.
Yeah. Put a little coke on my balls, you know what I'm saying? That's a perfect game. Vice K. Makuzaka, Two Phone Jones, Jesus S. Rockin', J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bob, is able dilute, Leonardo DiTrapio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pito Blur, DJ Woolite, and here listening to Washed FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of La Bouche, La 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 Dee Da Da. The Curry Gold, the Spicer, Javon Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain him. Be my lover, won't you be my lover? The Human Meme worth the job. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. The Budquest, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Boofer. The Human World is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morrissey with your chestnut, Muhammad Gumby, not Maccabi, but I got the cool combo. The juice suppressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Over Casanova. William 8 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change.
What you want?
Big money, we love. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Yo, man, this is Marv.
You gotta be in the
True Rizzuto. Holy cow.
Yo.
Catch me at the money store. Mr. Soft Palms, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
Keeps the palms soft with my wife. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sunny D.
Hey, guys.
David, man. Jesus Expenses, Jesus Red Bottom, Jesus Bloody Shoes.
Yeah.
Smokeem Noah, still on the next. Why? I don't know.
Who knows?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's the curse of Phil Jackson.
Mr. Top is not shooting easy with the bad beats like I'm easy. Please believe me, the black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesmerina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic bae. I've been following Geno Smith and I think the earth is flat.
Oh my god. About to run off the end of the earth after this episode. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human 2 Rag 5, aka Curve Gotti, aka Trans Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader. I jumped the curb and hit a nigga. I don't care. AKA I don't fucking baby, I'm fucking man.
Respect
AKA
them.
check the guest list again, nigga. I'm on it right there next to Tekashi 69. And no, I'm not stepping to the side, nigga. Cause that nigga's iffy up. I got the blinking up. Nigga got the stiffy up. I'm coming back with the blinking up. You know what I'm saying? I only smoke Alien Lab flowers provided by my guy Hope Lord when I'm at the mall with my kids. You know why? Because I make it feel like Neverland for them because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? I'm Big Smack, but your boy, a.k.a. Dick and your baby, my boy, you know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. Wow. Understand that? Okay? A.k.a. Barlow Santana, so smooth. A.k.a. The Dominican Don Dada, celebrando la independencia del país más importante de la bolita del fucking mundo. A.k.a. Lionel Judgy. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke and saying you're five, nigga. At least bring an entourage. Like my thesis come through. Thesis come through with like, you know what I'm saying? At least an entourage. You'd be like, yo, my nigga, I got the bud, but I got the entourage on decky for you. You know what I'm saying? Like we make it happen, bro. Teamwork make the dream work, nigga. Goddamn. You know what I'm saying? The AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls hyped deflated. AKA feel the ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man. And by cosmos, I mean your fucking uterus. AKA Frino Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zanio Bedingfield. Now you gotta get some sticks. Now you gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. And if you see me at Papacitos, nigga, you don't know me. AKA Ben Boston. I have the precision of a Swiss wristwatch. I'll replace your belly button with a water dispenser so you can get shorty wet with the mere push of a button. Ain't that right, Candy? Yes, Zaddy. Open your medicine cabinet, nigga, so secure your bezels, because you know who it is. It's the fucking Zen Man. A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Baby Newport 2 for 5. A.K.A. Nino Brown. I shut the car down, nigga. A.K.A. East Trema Stevie B. I wanna be the one your TT is fucking. I'm live at C-Town on Cedric. I'll be slicing the ham and giving your TT samples, so she'll give me a sample if you feel what I'm saying.
Slice
you know
it
what I'm saying?
Slice it a little bit.
Yeah, you like it then, Papi? Yeah. And straight from across the pond, mate, you know it is. It's the blind taste you've been over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont.
Yes.
With a Vans and leather jacket that I juxed.
I love it.
Back in 98, you know what I'm saying? Got that nigga while he's coming out of skate key. You know what I'm saying? Pull it from 40, it's your boy Barmelos Anthony. Bang! And I'm gonna take a nap right after her. If you see me at Target smacked asking if they carry sex dolls, please mind your fucking business and let me cook. My kids thinks it's their new babysitter. Alright? Relax. I saw fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, nigga. He's like all Sudafed and Pine Sol. Talk about I fuck a bitch, I fuck a bitch, I fuck a bitch, I fuck a bitch, I fuck a bitch. With my dick. Damn, nigga.
That's kind of catchy, though.
You know what I'm saying? You might put that out there. You know what I'm saying? Hasan, tírame la pita, coño, que llegó el GTT FIFA, el rey de la chapi. Ahora vengo con rango, Marzo ya pronto toco el patio, así que mi gente de Mau, actívense. Felicidades a todos los míos. Celebramos nuestra independencia. Todo el mundo desacatado. Eso es lo que me gusta. Pronto esperen el video de Dylan Francis con Químico y Arcángel. Y of course, el papi de la mami, el Quimero. Lleguen a los códigos, mamá huevo, que tengo fuego para la calle. Episode 102, nigga. Wow. You know what I'm saying? Wow. Fuck around and drop a home run 2 at an intramural game against kids with disabilities.
Okay. All right. You hear that, kids with disabilities? Come for you, little niggas.
Sucking on your ass. You don't care.
Mero just wilding out some kid in a wheelchair at halftime at a Nick game. And the crowd's like, boo.
What are you doing?
It's a charity. It's a Make-A-Wish Foundation.
Why'd you step on his chair to dunk?
Mero does the fucking LeBron through the leg shit on some kid with crutches. I'm like, yo, what are you
doing?
Why you showboating? Nigga do an and one off a kid's face. Come on, man. He's in a motorized wheelchair.
Well, shit, nigga, he got an advantage. You got to change.
Mero hits another. The score is 50 for Mero, 2 for the kids.
I'd be like, yo, their legs can't get tired. They got an advantage.
You got the fucking headband. You got the compression sleeve. You out there arguing with the refs. You like, get him off me. Get him off me. You can't hold me. You can't hold me.
Yo, if you James Harden and a nigga in a wheelchair, bro.
Yeah, you going to hell. You going to hell.
Yo, like
you taking an easy pass to hell. You get there, everyone's going to step aside. Oh, no, you first.
Yo, you first.
You first.
I see what you did.
Mm-hmm. They got your picture up, like, yo.
Yeah, then they got the video clip of us on Desus Mero, like, laughing at the shit, like, yo, look at this clip. These niggas clowned you. You going to hell, nigga.
But wait, hell doesn't make any sense because hell is for people who go against God,
right.
Don't follow God's law. But Satan went against God, and Satan was like, "Nah, fuck this. I'm off this. I'm starting my own
shit.
My own shit."
Right, yeah.
So now you didn't follow God's law. So now Satan's gonna punish you for eternity. So Satan is God's doja.
Yeah, it's essentially Cash Money, Young Money. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying?
It's just bad deals.
Yeah.
So basically, Satan signs you to a 360 deal.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh man, that's hell for real.
Niggas like, yo, you get to come down here, smoke mad weed, do mad drugs, fuck mad hookers and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, sex workers.
What if hell is mad lit, but they just trying to keep it low? Like, what if you went to hell and, like, everyone down there, like, you were there with the worst people, Hitler, Jeffrey Dahmer, but that shit is wild.
It's lit. Yo, they got the hooks lit and shit. They're like, yo, I know.
Thick chicks got 3 titties and
you know
shit.
What I'm saying? Like, oh, she got 3 titties, yo, she's sitting next to Jeffrey Dahmer. Jeffrey Dahmer's like, I hate the 4th one.
Gross. Nasty. But it grows back or something, I guess.
Yeah, some shit like that.
Hell probably just has, like, Satan just playing tricks on you and shit. Like, you can have all the sex you want, but you can never nut.
This is a weird...
Think about that.
Oh, wow. Nah, that's not good.
That's hell.
That's definitely hell.
You just walk in. You're like, why is everyone's nutsack so big?
Like, yo, don't ask. Don't ask.
Don't want to know.
Don't ask. Just bring me the ice pack and stop talking to me. Damn, you can never nut again?
Yeah.
Niggas can never nut again.
Let's make that all.
This penis has got no rhythm.
The way I nut with you, girl.
God damn it. Damn, niggas are washed.
Damn. Let's make that a horror movie about, like, men around the world that start. Because you know what happened? Like, if men around the world couldn't nut, it would take like 3 years before anyone in the world knew, because no man would ever say anything to anyone else. We made like Twitter jokes about it. Like, heard some of y'all niggas can't nut. Niggas is back at home because like, what the fuck is going on?
Shorty's like, yo, Zad, he sent me his dick pic. And you're like, nah, chill.
Nigga, incognito mode, like Twitter. No, Google. Big balls, no nut.
No, hurt.
Painful, pink.
Fam,
yo, people be asking Google some wild shit.
Fam, and I literally, like, I won't ask, like, if I'm trying to find out, like, yo, how do I fix an alternator on a 2005 Accord? I won't type that. I'll just type 05 Accord, alternator, fix. Now.
Yeah.
Enter.
Google knows. You know what a lot of old people do? At the end of their search question, they write "thank you."
Thank you.
Which is adorable, but it's also stupid. Like, you shouldn't be on the internet if you're doing that.
You put too many variables into the fucking.
So Google will probably like just chop it off or something. But listen, and technology is difficult. Like, we're on it now. We like laughing, but eventually we can get to the point where we're just like, you're gonna ask your kids, like, you know how you're gonna be watching. You be like, yo, bring up the FaceTime so I can take a picture of me and send it to Desus. You give it your hologram iPhone to your daughter. She's like, Dad, you're so stupid.
Yo, you're so corny.
She does it with she does it with no hands. She's like,
We're at the mall. She's mad embarrassed. She's like, yo, I'm with my friends, Dad. Like, you mad embarrassing. You corny. You got an iPhone 6 still? Nigga, it's 2037.
It still works. Cause we're just gonna regress. Just become like, I'm gonna
that cheap West Indian versions of ourselves.
Gonna start dressing like Tim Duncan. Just gonna have one pair of dirty Air Monarchs I wear everywhere.
Fam, I finally cleaned my basement out and I found so many Aniche velours that I'm tempted to like just start
bring it back.
Yeah, just bring it back.
Just bring it back. Bring back the Aniche, or as people used to say back in the nice.
Nice. Like, I'm like, nah.
There's certain words that the hood just never pronounced right.
Yeah.
For a while, there were people who call him VIM.
Vim. Yes.
Vim is actually
What does VIM stand for? It's an acronym.
Damn.
Like I was about to say something more problematic.
It just stands of. There's a lot of VIMs.
Like they just pick random letters. Like it's just three dudes. I'll be very disappointed if it's just three dudes' names that they use their initials, and it doesn't mean like very important. Like
it doesn't. Okay, when the people who started VIM, it was the brothers Joe, Ralph, and Avi Nashk started the store. They bought an appliance store in Brooklyn that both had the sign already saying VIM.
Oh, so just kept the shit? Okay.
VIM, the best jeans and sneaker store in America. First of all,
that's a big boast.
Wild jump.
That's a wild.
You got like 4 stores.
I thought they were gonna say Bronx. Like,
nah, they was like, fuck that, to
America.
the world. I think somebody was like, in the world. They was like, yo, you chill. Be humble. Sit down. All right, we'll do America, nigga. Run up, Jimmy Jazz.
I did.
Who is Jimmy Jazz? Is Jimmy Jazz a real person?
Yo, I hope not.
Jimmy Jazz is some old white guy that wears all white and walks around like Harlem with a fucking Greyhound.
Jimmy Jazz sounds like a guy that used to produce techno in the 80s. Like Detroit and shit.
It was like you didn't listen to it, but you knew of it. You was like, yeah, he's like a master.
Yeah, he's a master. Him and Todd Terry.
They're doing B-side remixes for Janet Jackson. Yeah. You heard the Christina Aguilera Jimmy Jazz remix?
Yo, I regressed into drug talk right there for a second. And when you said Christina Aguilera, I will never consider Christina Aguilera, like if a human being says that word to me, I automatically think drugs. I do not think the singer immediately.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's just niggas a program. Same thing with t-shirts. Like,
it's different. You know what I'm saying? And that's a shame because we actually do be ordering t-shirts now. Yeah. That's why there's no merch. Because every time Victor be like, yo, we order a t-shirt, we'll be like, yeah, I'll come through it too.
Yeah,
like,
I got you.
No,
like, no.
Actual. He's like, nah, I got the heavy bags. Don't worry. I got the kids' bags.
He's like
right
twirling
now.
his hair, mad nervous. Like, these are kilograms of cocaine, Mero.
He's like,
this is not merchandise.
Don't worry.
Not that kind of merchandise.
I had my kids bagging them up last night. They're on Instagram Live in the back while you were doing your shit. They're like, yo, your kid's naked in the back bagging up.
And his uncle from Colombia FaceTimes him. He's like, hey, Papi, Harry Mero got it for the low. So what's good over there?
What's good? You make that connect?
I love selling drugs.
That's the name of my acoustic album. We're just gonna go around to we're gonna go to feminist college campuses, and we're playing acoustic versions of clip songs.
Nice, yeah.
Keys open doors.
Yeah, keys open doors. Keys open doors. Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Me Too. Mr. Me Too.
Yeah. What's good, daddy? Is Mr. Lee. Oh, town, daddy. Toda la bodega allá arriba, papi.
You know what I keep in the lining.
Pop punk renditions of fucking clip songs.
That's what people like. They want that. That and camp songs.
Yeah.
You know? I'm like, I got the wild like viola. I'm like, ding, 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 ding. I really mean it. Ding, ding. You out there with a harp? I want to hear Dipset anthem on a harp. If you
pizza, I'm at the Tower of Pizza eating a pizza.
So beautiful.
You can't go where I go, nigga. You need a visa.
We'll get right up in New York Times and shit. The geniuses. Bodega Boys have done it again.
Yo.
Is there any medium they can't conquer?
They can't conquer? No. The answer is no.
We end up playing with they're like Lin-Manuel's like, a special treat for you Hamilton people tonight. We have the kid Mero on harp. And Desus on viola.
Oh, unbelievable.
I come out there with the bow, like I got the Van Vanson on. I can't really move my arms.
I got the heavy Averex. The shit is the sleeves are too long.
Yeah.
I'm like,
I can't believe this.
This is amazing.
Bodega Boys and Hamilton.
Oh my God.
Wow.
They're really pushing boundaries of culture.
Oh, fuck. Dude, boundaries don't exist anymore, bro. In tonight's performance, Hamilton will be played by Jaden Smith.
Yeah.
Shout out to Jaden. Young Jaden God, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, shit. Yo, yeah, shout out to him, yo. Shout out to fucking,
The Smiths?
Can we talk about that?
Nah, don't talk about that.
There we go.
Don't be a messy Marv, all right? You see how your butthole was hard when you trying to get that little Caesars out? All right? And shut your fucking yap. All right? Welcome to Mob Talk on WFAM. My name is Tony the Bull.
Hey.
Hey, welcome to Mob Top. How can I help you?
Yeah, I'm Sammy the Slammer. Let me tell you something.
Hey, Sammy, how's it going?
I'm doing all right here, but what I want to know is when you put the peach in the jar and then you add the grapes, how long are you allowed to ferment that before it becomes fatal?
Whoa, what the fuck? This is Mob Talk.
You know?
What are you, a doja? You're killing people yourself?
I'm not. I'm just trying to...
Listen, hang up on this guy. If you're not wearing Italian loafers with marble around your pool in Hackensack, I don't want you calling in this. There's no dirtbag shit. This is Mob Talk. It's only for bosses. Give me the next call.
Hey, how you doing? It's Louis. It's the Louis.
Hey, Louis, before you waste my fucking time. Are you a stand-up guy?
Yeah, I'm a stand-up guy. I'm Louis the Leg Breaker.
Louis the Leg Breaker.
Yeah, remember me?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hey.
It's the first time, long time. How's it going?
Done a couple jobs for
you.
You
still got those millions moving crack for you in the projects?
Oh, you already know. I'm out here doing numbers.
Hey, all right. So what's your question?
Still breaking legs out here.
Hey.
Listen, I just recently moved out to Lodi, New Jersey.
Shout out to Lodi, where they get the Lodi.
You know what I'm saying? And I got marble everything, but the problem is... how do I say this in a 2018 sensitive way? There's a lot of Moulignons moving into the neighborhood.
Listen.
How do I deal with this?
My aunt used to live in Lodi. You know what I mean? I go there now. It gets dark at 2 p.m. if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, you know?
Also, they got a lot of tandoori places. I don't need my fucking...
What the fuck is a tandoori?
I don't need my living room smelling like Aladdin. That's all I'm saying.
Huh?
You know?
Huh?
You know, I don't want to go to a whole new world on the tropical spice journey. But you know?
Hey. The fucking parrot is annoying as fuck, by the way.
Hey.
I want to eat that guy like fucking Fazul.
Hey. We'll be right back. Mob Talk. That'd be a great show. I'd listen.
Yo, them niggas wouldn't say shit. They just be there like,
talk shit.
Omerta. That'd be the whole show. Like, okay.
They would say, someone on Twitter said, if you read Donald Trump's tweets, but you start them all with first time, long time, they make much more sense. Because he's just rambling like he's calling in sports radio. Hey.
Speaking of first time, long time, Pitches and Catches is on the way.
Spring our training bar is opening. You know that's right. That's for all our Body Boys.
Yeah, that's right.
Opening in Montego Bay. Pitches and Catchers at Sandals. Closing is not optional. It is not. You gotta come nude.
Forbidden.
Nah, don't come nude to our tropical bar.
Don't do that.
If I catch you, if I'm making, because you know we're going to be cheap, so me and Mero are going to be the bartenders.
Yeah, of course.
I don't want to be making like a daiquiri and you put like your dick on the bar.
On the bar.
Whoa, what you doing?
My man.
What that?
My man.
I gotta hit it with the bar towel, like get that off of there.
You roll this shit up.
Little raccoon. It's like, ow!
Oh my god!
I'm not pointing to the sign that says no dicks on the bar.
No. You not put your cocky on the bar.
There's a little hook underneath the bar for that.
For your cocky. It's like a special drink called wine pon de cocky. It's just a glass of wine that you pour on your dick.
Wow. We spent no time on this menu.
A catheter. Put a catheter in your dick.
Wow. Just pouring a shot into your foreskin. Like, just pinch it off.
Yo, it gets you ripped way faster, bro.
Is that a new thing?
Yeah.
Is that what the millennials are doing? Foreskin chugging?
Yeah, yo. They're doing anything to get drunk faster. Like that's the tampons and the butt and shit.
You gotta put chewing tobacco in your dick, like behind the foreskin.
Okay.
That'll probably be more.
That sounds like it burns.
It probably the first time, but once it gets like a callus there, you good.
Imagine Shorty puts your foreskin back, you got the one callus on your dick. Like your dick is a fucking Chilean miner, nigga.
Imagine Shorty
like,
pulls back your foreskin and mad chewing tobacco falls out.
Your dick is just like, ding.
She pulls it back and mad beans fall out. Some black teenagers laugh at you like, you're sick of eating beans. Sick got beans in his foreskin.
Yeah, oh my God. Oh, we have some vinyl here. What's this? I don't know what that is.
That's vinyl, because vinyl never gonna die.
That's right, brother.
Hip-hop.
You know, hip-hop.
Did you know sales of vinyl go up every year?
That's right.
Because people go there like Urban Outfitters pay $30 for a $5 single.
Niggas go to Rough Trade to get like a white label and shit. Like
Rough Trade really sounds like it should have been a gay bar.
Yo, seriously? Yo, for real? Why did you blow an opportunity, gay
When
bar?
I passed it, I was like, what is this? And they're like, it's a record store. I was like, really?
Really? Rough Trade is a...
That also sounds like some wild 1990s song that, you know, like, sucking on my titties. Feel it? Oh.
Yeah.
You know
That's that Rough Trade. Biting on my nipples, nigga. Yeah.
We gotta come out with this. We gotta come out with this album, dog. Streets want it.
Yeah, I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, we don't.
Hasan's here. He's like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, whenever y'all niggas is ready, you know what I'm saying? We can still in the studio.
Still in the studio time and shit.
He's like, y'all got beats, you know what I'm saying?
We just want to be like the trap John Cicadas.
Yo, that's
all it is.
it.
I'll be moving dope another day. Let me get some coke without you.
I just want to break. I want to sell the blood.
It's like us in white linen chopping up lines and shit in the desert. But it's bad windy and the coke keeps blowing away. I'm like, fuck.
Oh shit! Oh damn!
Whose idea was this?
Yo, we cut this shit with Sam.
Catch you with your shirt.
Yeah. Shirt is bad big. You just catch a whole like 4 bricks in your shirt.
Why was every 1990s video shot in the desert?
Or like on a sandy beach with the wind blowing.
Yeah.
With mad oversized linen outfit.
We gotta shoot our video.
Shout it out.
We gotta shoot our BXXX. It's an X-rated. It's on Orchard Beach. It's gonna be like just mad TT showing their butts and shit.
Yeah, and the thongs.
And we gonna have the X-rated version free for live leak with like showing mad old lady titties. and shit.
Yeah, with the dripping cherry tattoo.
Showing nasty shit like they putting Coronas in their cocoas and shit. They just be like, yo, these niggas is wildin'.
Yo, I know her. She got a Betty Boop tattoo.
Oh wow.
Oh shit.
Griselda, what are you doing?
Let me tell you something. This is important knowledge, though. Right? Every Puerto Rican woman over the age of 60 has a Betty Boop tattoo.
That is probably true.
There's a fact.
That's probably true.
That's a fact.
Yeah.
You know what
She was
I'm saying?
popping for a while there.
Yeah.
But does she still look like Betty Boop or she look like Betty Droop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's looking a little depleted nowadays.
Nah, or else it's like mad faint. You can't really tell what it is.
You're like, yo, is that Slimer from Ghostbusters, bro? Like, what is that?
Imagine Shorty got the Slimer tramp stamp.
She's just looking at you like,
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
I ain't afraid of no cops.
What's the worst tramp stamp you've ever seen? Is it the eyes? Is it a name? Is it like a wax slogan?
The eyes are bad. I've seen those so many times that it's just like the default bad one. But I actually saw like the eyes with the Yankee symbol in between the eyes. I was like, yo, I don't even need to inquire about your nationality whatsoever.
Yeah, ma.
Like, ma. I seen the scrubs in the corner of the room. I was like, I know what time it is at you. Like,
I remember Shorty had the Boston B tramp stamp. I was like, no, it was a smash it. Like, I think I was at Fenway or whatever. She was better. I was like, how?
There's no symmetry there.
Hey, beat it up for me. Hey, beat it up, Sully. Hey, make my clam chowder frothy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, take me the Yorkie way. Yeah. Beat it up. Oh, come on, Big Poppy. This is our fucking city.
Oh, fuck
our
yeah.
fucking city, yeah.
Make
no
me,
more.
Yeah,
No more.
Oh, my God. Make me Square Jameson.
Give me that cack.
Yeah.
Oh, Boston. We gotta go to the first series, Yankees versus
oh yeah.
But we gotta go with CeCe and them.
Yeah,
we gotta roll up with them on the Yankee bus and shit.
Yeah.
I want us to be in the dugout and just have like Michael K. Like, why are they even in the bowl? Why are they in the dugout? They're not.
What are they doing?
We're gonna be in full pinstripes and shit.
They're appears to be smoking marijuana in the dugout. I don't know if that's sanctioned.
All right. Aaron Boone is calling the outfielder. They're okay. They're bringing in a backwoods. Okay. Just get mad smacked. They're like, yo, you think you could be a closer? I was like, I mean, I'm pretty nasty at MLB Power Pros. So I just gotta throw it. Which direction? Which way is home? All right, cool.
I bet. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna just throw it to Judge. He's gonna throw it back. We're gonna run a trick play, right? They're gonna snap the ball.
I'll be like, or like I'm running out. I'll be like, I'll come back. I'm like, yo, nah, like they kind of want us to do everything together. So we gotta both pitch.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. All right.
We doing some wild coordinated like
fucking electric boogaloo shit.
But we striking niggas out.
They're like, it's amazing.
They're like, wow.
I haven't seen this since Ubaldo
Jimenez.
Jimenez.
3 pitchers on 9 pitches. Wow. Niggas doing like the 1, 2, 3 innings and shit. Niggas in the 9th inning with a 23 pitch count. They're like, that's their 3rd triple play this game.
Unbelievable.
They get a double perfect game.
Oh, my goodness. I don't know how this is happening.
There's like one pop up, and I'll run all the way to the outfield and catch it at the wall. I hit the ground, pull a Bex out, like.
Yo, Aaron Judge is like, yo,
What
my
the
man,
fuck? Like you the pit?
dude, that was my ball, dude.
Christ told me to get it.
I said I got it. Oh, in that case, sorry, dude. Amen.
My guy,
Amen.
my guy.
Amen.
You know you're ugly as fuck.
Be blessed,
All right,
brother. Be blessed, brother.
Let's go Yankees. I need the Yankees to be ridiculous. I remember there was one year the Yankees were up. They were in first place by something like 20 games. Yes. I need that. I need that energy. I need you to tromp upon the throats of my enemies and crush their thoraxes underneath my feet.
Get the Orioles out of here. Get Boston out of here.
Who? Remember when the Orioles had pressure on the Yankees?
Yeah.
What was life like that? Who, Ken Singleton? Oh, this is like the 70s?
I'll rip your ass, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here with your little baby stadium. Remember in 2009 when they first opened Yankee Stadium and the balls were flying out of there and everyone was worried? It was like, yo, fam, it's that shit. Like, you can't do that shit right there. And then it just stopped after the Yankees won the World Series.
Yeah, they were like, you know what? We like the short porch.
They hit the switch. They were like, no more home runs. W.B. Mason was like, who else but Oh,
well, I guess it's us.
It's us.
Shout out to Camden Yards.
Camden Yards.
She sounds like a fucking prison.
It does. It does. Camden Yards.
Nah, but we going to Baltimore, no. Bodega Boys live in Baltimore, motherfucker.
That's right.
I don't even know what date it is, but we going.
We still got tickets on. Yeah. For the New York tour, you know what I'm saying? There's still tickets available. Be sure to hit up Jesus and Mero do NYC.com. Also hit up BodegaSushi.com
for the other dates.
The other, you know what I'm saying? We got the other cities. We haven't forgotten about you, boo.
You know what I'm saying?
Say we just pond the road. You know what I'm saying? Man's
a lot of people asking.
We in Providence, Baltimore, Boston, Detroit, Chicago, Atlanta, and Seattle.
And
new show added. We're in Wakanda.
Yo,
catch us at Killmonger's Theater.
Yo, by the way, we're doing the Chicago show at the legendary Chicago Theater. Just want to put that out there. The shit that was in the beginning of the Balky show.
Which is also, remember when we free the homie, G Herbo.
Free G Herbo, you know what I'm saying?
Niggas said they caught him with guns, and niggas got guns, and they got him. I'm not saying the two is connected, but free the homie regardless.
Free homie.
Free Herb.
Free G Herbo.
You know what I'm saying?
Chirac's finest.
You know what I'm saying? You know you're Chirac.
You know you forget Chirac.
Only weasels use the term Chirac.
Oh, that's right.
From their basement of their mother's house.
Yeah.
Free Herb. Also, but we were on the street interviewing him across from the Chicago Theater, and
Jeremiah pulled up in some wild like BMW spaceship, like, hey, what up, cuz?
Yeah.
Like I was like, oh shit.
I was like, yo, this shit is good. And everyone was like, when you gonna do the Chicago Theater? And now we doing Chicago Theater.
Yeah.
It's gonna be great.
What's up?
Going out to Chicago.
Can't wait.
We're gonna teach y'all how to pronounce gyro properly.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
We gotta do the whole intro for that shit. Gotta be the perfect stranger. It's like shit. Like us on the ferry and shit. Like shot for shot. With the same hand.
That part, me and you trying to walk against the wind. Yeah. If you look at that intro was like $60 million to film.
Absolutely. Because that one
I think they
wasn't
might
real.
have actually flown to Europe to film the part where he's in the cart with the sheep and shit. It was different. Like back in the day, you used to have budgets for shit.
Yeah.
Remember the video for Victory?
Yeah, Diddy was like, yo, that shit was like 20 million or some shit like that. Or some wild amount of money like
There's
that.
a part where he's like sparking against it. It's not necessary.
Fam.
The fucking
I'll be missing you video when he's on the motorcycle and he just wipes out. Like, was that on purpose? Did you have a stunt double? Like,
he was driving backwards in a car in the hypnotized video.
In a Mercedes.
Just unnecessary.
Yeah, motherfucking mermaids in the living room.
You know what I'm saying? You know what's the wild unnecessary budget? The Honey remix with Mariah and the Locks. Why was Jada kissing them hopping out helicopters and shit?
Why? Bro,
you know,
that just
for the
reminds
culture.
me for the culture. Yes,
culture.
Diddy did it for us. You know what I'm saying? To show us that we could be opulent and wealthy.
Him and who was it? Paul Hunter?
Yeah. And Mansa Musa. Mm-hmm. Just throw that in there.
Mansa Musa. You know who had like ill videos in the early 2000s though? He was a wild ill music director, Jimmy Jazz.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
He wasn't fucking with VIM though.
Nah, man.
VIM had that shit on Smash.
Nah, Paul Hunter had joints.
Video and intelligent music had shit on Smash. Paul Hunter. Yo, Paul Hunter. Wow.
Yeah, he did it. He got Don't Can't Nobody Hold Me Down, All About the Benjamins.
Yeah, wow.
Phenomenon, LL Cool J, something like phenomenon.
Something like a phenomenon. Damn, I was like, what was LL Cool J's last joint that you were like, yo, this shit is hard?
Something like a phenomenon.
Is that it?
Maybe Ill Bomb?
Yo, Ill Bomb is hot. Yo, throw that
Bomb.
up for like 2 seconds, please.
I don't know. We got to. I want to. You're in the car with your kids. They're like, nah, come on. Don't do that.
They're like, Dad, put on Gucci Gang. I don't like this.
He's like, nah.
Nah, fuck y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Yo. He talks cash shit on his record too. He's like, yo, who asked Russell Simmons who put him up in that skyscraper? I was like, woo.
That song is everything that if you don't like old hip hop, everything that you hate about old hip hop.
Yep.
The boom bap beat, the scratching,
the little soul sample,
like,
oh yeah.
Yeah, that'll make you turn your XM radio real quick. Fucking crash your Tesla trying to Yo, shout out to Tesla, you know what I'm saying? Tesla got the heat. But your man Cadillac, the 2016 CT6,
talk to me,
supposedly has a better
market.
Automated driving system than the Tesla.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. And if you remove all the bells and whistles from the top Tesla package, it's about the same price as, say, Cadillac. But you know what you miss? Being a dickhead with a Tesla.
With a gold wing.
Exactly.
Put the gold wings on the caddy, man.
If you got Tesla money, you not out here like, oh yeah, I can save 10,000. No, nigga.
Fam.
You got the cop and whip. Cop and crash.
My fucking neighbor went from a Jetta to a Tesla, bro. I feel like I talked about this already, but I was just like, bro, how do you... That's a big jump.
Yeah.
From like a 03 Jetta to a straight fucking Tesla, like... And he's like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I charge it in my garage, you know what I mean? You could charge it at home. I thought you had to go to like certain stations or whatever.
I mean, you do if you're a broke boy.
You know what I'm saying?
But yo, you get a Tesla, you're like, oh, here's my house, please come install my charger.
Yeah.
There you
wow.
Go. There you go.
He's like, yo, you can even do it in a regular outlet, but it takes 24 hours. I was like, all right.
Nah, you gotta get this. You gotta get the nice charger, man.
Yeah.
Treat yourself, don't cheat.
You know
See, there's certain things. If you gotta have Tesla and a house charger money. You can't just have Tesla money.
Yeah, and then have your shit connected with like 3 extension cords.
You know what I'm saying? Got a power strip for the living room and shit.
Just connected to the same shit as an Xbox.
You plug in the car, like the lights dim in your house. Yo, you got the air conditioner, turn it off. You know
turn it off, nigga. Come on. I'm trying to charge the car.
Sure to use the hairdryer and just blow all the circuits out. You gotta go reset the switch. Nigga put a penny in where the fuse used to be. Nah.
Yo.
Dangerous.
Chill.
Dangerous.
My Model X is hard, B. I went back to the mall and sat in it again. I was like, damn, that shit is hard.
That you don't, man.
Just the wings, bro.
The wings alone, the wings is unnecessary. The key is actually shaped like the car, but the most fly shit of that 0 to 60, baby.
Oh, man.
That's 0 to 60. And this is like, it's 0 to 60 from a stop. Now, if you're already at 60, you're going from 6. You see what I'm saying here? You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
you know
just keep multiplying?
You doing
60 to 120, 120 to fucking whatever the fuck.
You doing your numbers. You doing your numbers.
Yo.
It's one of the few cars where you could be like, when Waze is like, yo, turn left. At the last moment, you can really do that shit.
Oh, man.
The thing is, you could cause a lot of accidents, but you could drive way too fast for you to even get caught for causing an accident.
Oh, it's perfect.
Cool.
That's
so
my
like a tractor trailer, like flip over and shit because you cut in the lane. And you're like, I'm out.
That's my lifestyle.
I'm saying that. Causing accidents to getting away.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck y'all niggas.
Fuck y'all niggas.
I almost caused an accident. Oh, I didn't cause it.
Oh, you drove
you see
today.
what you see?
You drove. Oh, wow.
Yeah,
that's dedication because it's disgusting out there.
Absolutely. And
it's
I
like
drove
slushy now.
And I revived my Accord from the dead.
Shout out to you.
You know what I'm saying? By my motherfucking self.
By yourself. You still got it.
Got it.
He killed Mero. He in Jersey, but he still killed Mero from DR and shit.
Slide under the car with a
probably look inside the hood. There's one of his kids running on a treadmill. Like, yo.
Oh, my kids is Flintstoning this shit here.
You like, yo, take a couple hours off. Daddy be back. Just give him pastrami sandwiches. Like, yo, get your weight up. I heard it's uphill on the way back.
I got my daughter blowing on the defrost like... The windows is getting foggy, Daddy. Keep blowing.
Keep blowing. Nah, you got the back window too. Yo. She's like, nah, it doesn't work like that, Daddy. You gotta hit the button. There's the little electrical lines. One of your kids is just siphoning gas with their mouth to the engine. Like,
what are y'all good for? If you can't provide me with fucking ease of life.
Breaking news, nightly host Kid Mero was charged with child endangerment when his kids were actually seen running his old Ford Accord. Here with the statement is Desus nice. I was like, yo, they're his kids. He can do what he wants. Mind your business.
Mind your fucking business. Mind your fucking neck, yo.
Be sure to hit up Desus and Mero do NYC. You know, so we got tickets. And guess how Mero's getting them. That's right. Yeah, his kids.
Uh-huh.
All right. Shout out to LL Bean for announcing they are no longer selling guns.
Yeah, and Dix did that too,
Dix
right?
did it too.
Dix did it too.
And Kroger.
Kroger's.
Yeah.
Niggas got guns at Kroger's?
Yeah, apparently everywhere has guns.
What?
Stop and Shop, if you got guns, you gotta let me know. I think, you know what it might be?
Isn't Kroger's like a 7-Eleven?
It's like a grocery, but they have like field stores or whatever, and they have guns. You know what? America got a lot of guns. Think about it. You've barely been in stores that sell guns, you never even realized it. Did you know Dunkin' Donuts sells guns?
Wow. Oh, that's what those long ass cinnamon roll looking things are? Oh, shit. It's like Desperado.
You look on the menu because the menu goes like from item 1 to 12, and then it's just like jumps to 15. You get like stuff like a flatbread and an AR-15.
You got to order off the menu.
Yeah, you got to use an app or some shit like that.
Yeah, I see.
Damn, niggas got guns.
Damn, I got mad
I feel bad now
points.
because everyone's like, you're not selling this. I was like, damn, should we have copped?
We should. I mean, like, maybe. I don't know. Be like, I feel torn because I'm like, yo, I got a crib that I should be able to like defend against home invasions.
But you don't need an AR, dog.
No, I definitely don't need an AR. That's the thing. Like, that's why I'm like, why are you niggas arguing this point? Like, you don't need an AR, dog. Like, any type of gun.
Wouldn't it just be better to get better home security?
Because no, I do. I have like.
Don't say it.
Come on, the 6 is gonna make me flex again. I got the like the VVINT like shit, and there's like cameras and like apps and all that type of shit. I still got to set up the app or whatever, but I got security. I got cameras. I got multiple locks on everything because everybody in that neighborhood has one lock on their door. I'm like, you niggas are crazy. As soon as I got there, I was like, deadbolt, chain.
Well, if they all have one lock, maybe it's a safe neighborhood. Maybe you're just being Bronx paranoid.
I am being Bronx paranoid.
Okay.
Absolutely. Like
you just need a simple alarm system like I have.
Okay.
What I do at the front door, I have a big can of paint.
Oh,
and it's
yeah.
up top, so if you open it just swings down.
So when Joe Pesci comes in, this shit just falls on his head?
Ornaments. And an iron attached to the doorknob.
The criminal comes in and he's just like, this fucking kid! God damn it!
There's 2 possible outcomes for Home Alone if we're keeping it funky.
Yeah.
They either got to Kevin and tortured and killed him
my God.
for putting him through that, or Kevin went to jail because he murdered those 2 guys.
Yo.
Yeah.
How do you step on a 3.5-inch nail, fall down a flight of stairs, don't go to the hospital and survive? Homie caught the iron to the grill,
concussed.
like a fucking cinder block on your head, the spider shit. Like, who knows if that spider was venomous?
Yep.
Who knows? You know what I'm saying? Like, there's so many ways these niggas got
What
hurt.
if they just had it like
The doorknob shit in the beginning?
That
Like,
shit,
come
yeah.
on, B. That's like Wild Third Degree Burns.
I mean, they was like, oh, it's Christmas. It's really a snuff film.
It really is.
They could have done the Reservoir Dog shit where like Kevin got them tied up and cuts off the guy's ear or some shit.
Man.
That's a good movie.
They got to remake that movie with a kid that's not white. And then I'll go watch it.
For Home Alone? Let's remake it.
Yeah.
Home Alone, but it's just like, it's very short because he gets left home alone and shit. And he's like, yo, this shit. And then here's the thing. And he just goes and gets the father's gun. This nigga just busts like 4 shots through the door. And the rest of the movie is just like the 2 niggas bleeding out on the lawn. Like,
they just flash back to like how they were planning this whole thing. Like,
I thought he was white.
why would you think it's white? His name is fucking Trammell, you idiot. I'm bleeding to death.
Oh, he got me in the intestine.
If you got shot in your intestines, you're fucked, by the way.
Yeah, because I got to take it out to like try to find the bullet and shit.
Yeah, that's right.
Listen, don't
And
get shot.
all that fucking weird
Add
shit.
that to
in
my
the
list of
intestines.
quotes. Don't get shot. Don't be mailing niggas shit. Can't be just printing out shit for
Know what I'm
niggas.
saying?
And don't get shot. These are jewels to tell your masculine child.
You know what I'm saying?
I didn't say your male child. I said your masculine child. It might be your daughter. She might have the little mustache.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You know, life is gonna be rough for her. You got a head on the back, like yo, you
listen,
got this, Helder.
you got this.
You got this.
Here's some like nair for your lip.
I'm gonna say it. Somebody will love you for that. That's right.
She'd definitely be working at a hookah bar. Like, yo,
Yeah.
Jay-Z only tipped me $11,000, yo. That's crazy.
Wow.
Why you ODing?
Do you
Like-
know why J.R. Smith was suspended?
For weed?
He threw a bowl of soup at Cavs assistant coach Damon Jones.
Wow.
Is that what we doing? Is that the energy we throwing soup at niggas?
Wow. Yo, the Cavs are a mess, bro. I actually feel bad for LeBron. Like, I would actually feel better like if he was on the Knicks. Like,
Yeah.
I would feel less bad for him. Like, the Cavs are wild dysfunctional. Like, you don't even really bang with the owner like that, which is crazy because it's like, nigga, you would come here and bang with James Dolan, which is probably like I mean, we're biased, but like, I think that he is probably the worst owner in the league. I mean, unless you're talking about the Sacramento Kings, who are just like eternally
I mean, he's
trash.
not the worst owner. It's just like at times he has inserted himself into.
Outbursts?
He's inserted himself into the game where he shouldn't have. I mean, if you think about it, James Dolan hasn't done much to fuck up the Knicks in the last season.
That's true.
He's been very hands off.
Yeah.
He says he's gonna be hands off. You know, I'll give him
I respect
some
that.
begrudging praise.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? After
Yeah.
the Phil thing, he's just been kind of like, all right, not gonna fuck it up.
Should we start like being on some like
Praising him and getting good with him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, yo, I loved your last album. You know what I mean? Type shit.
Damn.
Start singing along, learn all the words and shit.
I mean, we could do that, but
You know
then
what I
he'll
mean?
be like, yo, y'all niggas got kazoos. You want that? You want to be back on that?
I'm like, yeah, I do actually. It's in my
Kazoo.
fucking memorabilia basket with my shit. that
These
Heather
two
keeps.
assholes used to roast me on their podcast. podcast.
Whatever.
I don't even know what it is. It's some broke people shit.
Yeah.
Anyway, now they have the pleasure of playing the kazoo. One of the greatest bands ever. I believe that's what you called me, Mero, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I did.
All right. So the count of 3, you get on the Madison Square Garden and you blow.
Okay.
Blow for the whole world.
James, I just have one question.
One. Yeah, you know what?
Can I ask you one question?
Why don't you
before we
lick
go?
your lips, pucker, or make them moist for the whole crowd?
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I ask you one question before we do this?
What?
Why do we have to do this naked?
It's for the best acoustics.
Okay, I guess.
Jesus isn't complaining. I'm JB, I own the Knicks. All you people with broke money, y'all can suck my dick. JB and the short shots. Fuck y'all broke niggas. Good night, New York.
Damn, yo, this nigga fucking Hendrik Lucas just jumped off the Madison Skybridge.
Niggas like this. Trying to kill himself. Damn.
Yo, niggas jump trying to catch the balloon.
He's like, oh, I'm out of here.
The first time I saw that shit, I was way too high and it scared the shit out of me.
Because you know what? It looks dangerous. It's a big drone balloon flying around the inside of Madison Square Garden. It seems like it kill a lot of people.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout the Garden staff. They know what they do. Shout the Ellie. You know, the people, they do the halftime stuff they sell.
Blind shorty?
Yeah. With the
shout out.
T-shirts.
Hey,
and
de
shit.
la mia personal.
I giving out the triple XL T-shirts. Niggas be swimming in them shits. I'm saving that for if I ever get caught on a roof in like a hurricane. I'm just gonna have to flash down the female.
Nah, I'm saving it for whenever I'm like really, really late to the podcast. I'll just like jump off my roof and hang glide.
Hang glide this shit. Yeah. Go New York, go New York, go.
We gotta come up with a new version of that.
well,
like Casanova.
Put you in your neck, motherfucker. What you be about? Like that's sir. You can't.
Smack you in your face, little nigga. It ain't no layups.
It's a little aggressive for.
Sorry.
They're like, so it's either gonna be Friday Night Knicks or it'll be the Bodega ones. Like, yo,
please tell me. What is the fucking name of that fucking instrument that nigga plays on that shit, bro?
slide guitar.
It's a slide. Is that what it's called? Slide guitar. Oh god, you know about this guy? He plays the Friday Night Knicks, Robert Randolph in the Family Band. Nigga has a guitar that's like a piano.
It's a slide guitar.
Like
Robert Randolph is like a virtuoso on the thing. Some people say he's like the greatest living slide guitarist. I think that's without question hands down. But like the greatest living slide guitarist of all time.
Some people say that, but why the fuck is the 4th result in Google petition the removal of Randolph Friday from the Friday Night Knicks song? All right,
Hold on.
the people have spoken. It's a change.org petition, my niggas.
Damn. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna hijack this for a second.
Can I just say? Let's read some quotes. I am happy when the Knicks win. This won't happen on Friday as long as the curse of Robert Randolph is around. It is the music that leads to them losing. Because the song is absolutely terrible.
They found homie at 14 years old in a church, like in the South somewhere, and they're like, yo, this kid's a virtuoso, he's gonna be huge. He just like, it's just not working for him, fam. I feel Robert Randolph, I felt terrible for it for years. Damn.
Yo,
I'm rocking with you, Robert. I'm sorry. Okay, all right. I'm sorry this happened to you.
He should have hopped into hip hop like that. Ben Marie Ari.
Word.
Because listen, hip hop is suckers for string instruments.
Hell yeah, bro.
Even remember in the early 2000s, Swiss was like, yo, his string instruments. You go back and listen, he was like, yo, these are the Wild Week samples.
Wow, bro, this is so Casio.
What is this, MIDI? Oh, disgusted. This is mad weak.
I'm like, bro, you got the dusty keyboard that my grandma got in her crib, bro.
You
What
hear
is
it now,
this?
you're like, what is those? Those are trumpet stabs? It's like, bah, 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 bah.
What niggas using the keyboard from like when Dr. Dre was wearing
Is it
like
Sound
surgeon
Blaster?
masks?
Like you hear the shit now. Like you go on GarageBand right now. GarageBand has an option to make random beats, and you could like turn up the drums and shit, and it'd be making some cold ass beats.
Yeah.
It'd be like,
I need Fruity Loops back, yo.
nah, Usher made Love in This Club using GarageBand.
Yeah.
The samples on there because they're free.
Yeah. Besides to Polo it down for finessing that.
He had a run.
He had Throw Some D's. He had Love in His Club. He had some shit with Fergie. He had some joints.
Yeah,
Yeah, shout out to him.
Hey,
what
man.
was the other guy that was rocking with him? Throw some D's on that bitch.
Rich Boy.
Rich Boy.
Rich Boy got
How could you forget a name so generic?
To be fair, though, that was a mean album.
Yo.
His first album. Polo the
man.
Don laced him, and then Polo the Don came out and was like, yo, I'm the king of white girls. And it was like,
Yikes. I'll leave that title of dances, my guy.
yo, I just want to take a quick moment. Someone said, I just want to shout out Tampa because someone said that we said we didn't want any beef with Tampa. No, I wanted to clarify, like, nah, y'all not on our radar. That was what that meant.
No,
That's
it wasn't. It's not like
we're not taking a high road. Like, we don't, like, literally, like, we're so far up in Google Maps we can't see y'all niggas.
Yeah.
Okay?
Like, I always say the same thing, bro.
That's for them drive time niggas. You know who it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Remember, you started this. You said Bodega Boys could suck my dick. You said it.
We never start.
We never start beefs.
They said
but
that?
we end it. Yeah.
Oh wow! I didn't know it was that
You
spicy.
ain't know about that energy, right?
I thought it was just like, oh, we're gonna take you guys down like a little
No,
joke.
that's someone I quote said, Bodega Boys could suck my dick.
Well, guess what? You could suck my dick from the back.
Oh,
you know
wow.
what I'm saying?
You know
what I'm saying? Fuck
That's
outta
right.
here.
All right. And you know what? In our new feature, where we big up small, meaningless Florida towns over Tampa. Today we're talking about an hour's drive away from Gainesville. It's a little cottage area called Cedar Kill.
Oh, Cedar Kill.
Key.
Cedar Key?
Cedar Key. 710 people.
710 people. Yo, if you're from Cedar Key, Highlanders.
Stand up. Nah, I don't think they fuck with us. But hey, you know what I'm saying? No. We gotta keep the words popping. You gotta keep it spicy for the culture.
Yeah, come on.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas test you when your gun is cold.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, don't test me, nigga. My waist is burnt.
I'm saying, niggas, I don't want to be out here scrapping with niggas. Like I said, all niggas want to do is be eating pickles with Jimmy Fallon.
That's it.
We've done that, what, 4 times?
That's it.
Yeah,
Several times. Salute. Yo, it's fucking crazy because I'm like, usually when I get on Instagram Live at night, I'm very inebriated and I'm very aggressive. And I'm telling y'all niggas right now, bro, we not fighting niggas, man. We not fighting y'all. Don't pull up thinking that we going to shoot a fair one and we going to square up.
Oh, we going to shoot a fair one. And by shoot a fair one, I mean I'm going to shoot a fair and concise email to my lawyer about who I am putting a lawsuit against. Okay? That is the fair one now.
Fam, I'm going to throw you down a flight of stairs on 170th Street and then sue you. You understand? That's where we are right now.
No. I see you. I'm trespassing, emotional distress, loss of wages. We going on Judge Judy. Listen, I'm acting fool.
Oh, man.
And I'm going to be the person at Judge Judy. She's like, you have evidence? I'll be like, it's on my phone. She's like, can I see it? I'll be like, it's in the back. She's like, why did you come out here without your phone? What do you think this is? And I have to go back and get it. And she gives me the dirty look.
To be like, well, you know, they told us,
Judge Judy.
Judge, they said no phones in court.
You look
like,
pretty though. I watch you every day.
I like you.
I like you though.
I like you way better than Janine Pirro.
She's weird.
She's weird.
Janine Pirro. Hey, shout out to Square Cash as always.
Yeah, Square Cash, the gods.
Square Cash, the gods, the cash gods. Sponsor the podcast, you know, say sponsor some dreams and shit.
Yo, you know, be lit. If Square Cash just bought us both a Bentley Bentayga, yo, that'll be lit, yo. I mean, like, if y'all want to do that, that's cool. But like,
see, you
don't
can't
have to.
just. You gotta. What's the justification of that? What does Square Cash get out of it? Does it say Square Cash on the side of it?
Yeah, I'll put a Square Cash logo on my shit.
So why wouldn't they just give us like a shitty PT Cruiser with a big Square Cash thing on the top?
Because then that's not a flex. It's like, yo, like
a Bentley.
if you,
No.
you know what I'm
Also, like, what if Square Cash really was like, yo, here's Bentleys for both of you. Now we gotta get gas for Bentleys. Where you parking that shit?
I mean, I got a garage.
Really?
Yeah.
You Bentley gonna have mad French fries in the back and shit. Kids writing a marker on the leather.
No, that shit's getting detailed every week. Like, I don't care. Like,
Oh,
I'll
you
treat
got
that shit,
you
like,
got detail your Bentley every week money?
Oh yeah.
No, you don't.
Oh yeah.
No, you don't. I know how much money you make. You
Yeah,
don't have.
no.
You don't have Bentley every week.
Well,
money.
when you go to Patterson,
You
get your car
you
detailed.
can't take your Bentley to Patterson to get detailed, my nigga.
Yes, you can.
You gonna get.
My cousin's gonna detail this shit for $50. You know what I'm saying? At a dub, and we good. Like, he got all the tools, like the
Kid
little.
Mero found slumped behind some dumpster in
You know
a
what I'm
Patterson
saying?
gas station.
You feel me? Like, I'm Gucci out there. Like, you know what I mean?
I'm pretty sure. Who was it? Vic. What's his name?
Victor Cruz.
Victor Cruz was like I can see him in the thought bubble right now. Like, don't drive a Bentley through Patterson. Him, Angel Diaz, and Fetty Wap are all saying, do not drive a Bentley through Patterson.
Angel Diaz, Fetty Wap, Victor Cruz. Let me know if I can drive my Bentley Bentayga through Patterson to get it detailed. I got the shop. You know what I'm saying? It's on 20-something street. You know what I mean? Holla at your boy. Let me know.
You don't even have a Bentley.
Tú eres lo mío personal, you know what I'm saying? I don't stick out. You know what I'm saying? It's not like I'm fucking like Macaulay Culkin going over there in a Bentley. I could just be like, yo, you know what I'm saying? And
It's not about you. It's about the Bentley.
And I could, you know what I'm saying? Just have that thing on me. You know what I mean?
Can't wait for that viral video. Niggas got him under pressure, got him crying, like, give the Bentley, like, oh my God, don't kill me. Don't kill me. I got so much to live for.
Nah, I'm such an asshole.
They'll be like, yo, look at this nigga. Yo, they'll be like, yo, Jesus, look at your man crying. We got the mad snot coming down his nose. They got him yucked up. Like, what was that Simmons boy they had?
Jojo?
Jojo Simmons?
Yeah. No, bro, like, but yeah, I have to see shit like that, bro. I'm such a arrogant piece of garbage that I'd be like, kill me, nigga.
No, you
kill me on
wouldn't. No, you
screen.
wouldn't.
Kill me on screen.
No, you won't.
Kill me on screen.
No, you won't.
Let me tell you
won't.
something. 90% of the dudes, I've said this before, 95% of the dudes with guns don't have the heart to actually kill you, especially if there's a camera present.
It's not they don't want to kill you. It's not who you have to worry about. The 90% they don't want to kill you, but those are the ones that will kill you. Because now you're trying to play them, or now they just react, or now they're trying to show up for the homies. So you can't ever underestimate the person behind the gun.
That's true.
Because if you're wrong,
then you die.
I feel like the dude who got Cleanthony's just rubbing his hands together like Patterson, bet.
You know what I'm saying? Because listen, a nigga, when you see someone come through with the Bentley, even now that I got money, I still be like, oh, where?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Man. Okay.
I see you, Playboy. I see you, Playboy, with the BOI, PHELGHBOI.
But what I have noticed in the hood, though, is if you pull up in an expensive whip and you hop out and you don't look like a herb, people automatically assume, like, yo.
No, you look like a herb.
Something's here.
You look like a herb to somebody. Everyone looks like a herb to somebody.
Oh, yeah,
everyone will try you. So you can't listen. You got to stay low and build, dog. Do you see, you don't see Bill Gates driving around in Bentley. You don't see Warren Buffett running around.
What
in
does he
Bentley.
drive? What does Bill Gates drive?
He drives a 86 Subaru. Nah, he uses car service. Like, come on.
Them niggas going black cars everywhere.
What is a Bentley going to give you that's better than any other car?
The Bentayga.
Again, you can just keep saying this. Like, what does this car give you that you can't get with other cars?
So the Bentley Bentayga has accommodates 7 passengers, is the first full-size SUV to come out from Bentley, and has amenities up the wazoo. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, this is the one Cardi B bought.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
That's the one she got?
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit is hard.
So it's basically a Dominican hit car.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Shame.
You know what I'm saying? Stay true to my roots. Gotta stay true to my roots.
Just waste that $230,000 for the base model.
You know what I'm saying? To quote the illustrious Bruno Mars, we make that shit back.
Notice the real Bruno Mars didn't say anything over there. This nigga talking about Bentleys.
Make that shit back, baby.
This nigga talking about Bentleys. And you know what? I saved $5 today by ordering Tide Pods through Amazon Prime. So we live in 2 different worlds.
Did you subscribe and save?
Oh, you know I did. I'm addicted to Amazon Prime now. Like, I can't even go to C-Town and shit. What I look like asking niggas to unlock the toothpaste.
I still go to BJ's. I still use coupons.
Joe, shut up, Bentley boy. I'm talking with Victor here.
Like,
because you living on some rich boy shit.
I think Fresh Direct or Amazon, somebody's doing unlimited grocery deliveries for $15 a month.
Ooh. That to me feels more like rich boy shit than like buying a Bentley.
$15. Fresh food is more rich boy shit than a Bentley.
Like,
yo, your shit is backwards, my friend.
Like, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even have the wherewithal to get out of my house to go to the supermarket.
That's the beauty of it. You don't have to do that.
That's wild. That's like, yo, like,
why do you have to get out the car?
Classic American shit.
I mean, you want to get into a Bentley, schluck all the way down to the local farmer's market and shit?
I enjoy it. I like to smoke a little J, you know what I'm saying? Peruse and feel the cucumbers, feel which ones are good, you know? Maybe pickle a couple of them, check the avocados, hit the Patterson Fruit Market.
This nigga lying,
get a coconut, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a beautiful thing. I love to get smacked and then go to the supermarket and run errands like that. I know it sounds completely counterintuitive, but to me, getting smacked and then going to do shop or do whatever, because it makes me feel like, yo, that feeling that I was talking about last week of like, yo, I could just swipe my card and not be worried about anything is magnified by the fact that I've eaten 16 edibles.
Let me break something down to you so you no longer think broke like this. We have an hourly rate. My hourly rate applies to everything in my life. So I can't just be... The hourly rate does not apply when I go to the supermarket. I can't just be wasting my time like that and my energy going to fucking Stop and Shop to pick out kibasas. Fuck that. I go to Amazon Prime, get that shit shipped to me, and I stay at home and I drink hot tea to perfect my voice for the art. If you don't have the respect for art like that, imagine you went and you saw Chris Stapps, you know what I'm saying, like squeezing a lettuce at like an hour before the game. You'd be like, what are you doing?
I'd be like, yo, this nigga's eating green.
Nah, why are you not in practice?
See, that's the problem.
I don't want to walk in corner furniture and see Kyle Quinn looking at an ottoman. Okay?
You're not allowed to live your life if you entertain me.
Exactly. Fuck that.
Bro.
Nick said Bentley. If you get a Bentley, I'm going to key it. I'm just keeping it funky.
And I'll just go get the shit detailed the next day. Like,
No, you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause they're gonna be like, yo, it's gonna be like 200,000 to get it detailed and shit.
200,000.
Yeah. What? Do you think they're just gonna buff it out? It's not a regular door. It's Bentley material. These are not.
You said key it, like nigga.
I'm gonna key the shit out that car.
Like,
I'm keying in Desus and Mero, #1 show at late night. Nothing but illustrious guests, ball bags, Bodega Boys. Desus and Mero. NYC.com. Tickets available now. Also, be sure to check out BodegaSushi.com. Shout to Square Cash. Shout to sponsor. Shout to Red Bull. Do the drop.
yo, come on. And then just take it to Patterson and niggas buff the shit out in half an hour.
Nah, I want to see you just drive around for a day with like the wild key to Bentley and shit. Just booing you like, boo.
I'd be like, I stuck out a Bentley, nigga.
You know what? If you get a Bentley, I'm gonna buy a Bentley and just crash it into yours. So it's a spiteful shit. Just walk off like, ha! But really crash that shit into it so it's like fused together and then call it Uber and drive off. And she's gonna be like, so you really copped a whip just to crash it? I was like, I mean, that's what rappers do.
I mean, shit.
That's that outpost shit, you know what I'm saying?
I'll be mad smacked. I'll be like, well, shit.
I'm gonna go to that Bentley dealership with a shoebox and be like, let's go. They're like, fam, it's not 1985.
That's not, you can't do that.
I
That's
literally have to call IRS right now.
Yeah, we're gonna arrest you.
They're
so
like, this is easily over $80,000.
please step into
We're
this back
locking the
room.
door.
Yeah, you can't leave.
No, I'm gonna borrow one. I'm gonna test drive one. I'll be like, oh, put in the nav. I'll be like, Mero's house. And try to find which way I can come down the street and get them. I'm gonna come down the cul-de-sac and do the wild U-turn and just do the wild burnout. You know, he's gonna come out like, what the fuck? I'm like,
They was gonna come out like, Poppy, what the fuck are you doing?
I'll be like, Mero, you're Mero.
Poppy.
Bentley boys, get it?
Mero, this
Bentley boys.
Mero, this Morena's whirling over here. I don't know what's wrong with him.
Big broken Bentley brand. Never crash. I'm out of here.
Yo. Yeah, no, it's just a beautiful car.
All right. I mean, if that's how you want to live your life, then
You know what I'm
be a piece of garbage. I'm taking
feel like
my Bentley money and I'm donating to the teachers of West Virginia who are on strike.
Oh, that's
you didn't even know about that.
That's very noble and a lie.
Yeah. I'm gonna give them a tweet like, yo, y'all keep your heads up.
Yo, RT.
I mean, just trying. Yo,
RFT.
the whole state is on strike. All the schools are closed.
West Virginia?
Yeah.
I mean, there's a meth shortage. You know what I'm saying? What do you expect?
Wow. There's more than West Virginia than meth. They also have opioids. No, shout out to the teachers. I hope you get what you want. They just want like living wages and shit.
Yeah.
I mean, why don't you want to pay teachers?
Man, come on, listen, man. Being
How they want to give teachers guns, but they want to give. They're like, yo, you want medicine? Nah, you want an AR? Hey,
and we got you. Imagine they gave teachers guns and they just sold the guns to get school supplies.
I think we should ask Hasan to erase that part of the podcast because we just came out with a blockbuster movie.
See? And then so school supplies and then the whole neighborhood becomes mad violent.
Yeah.
And the president's like, yo, we gotta
And the kids are like, the only safe space is school. And the teacher's like, yo, we need more. And they're like, oh, where's your guns? They're like, I left it at home.
I mean, nigga, do you want to read Neil deGrasse Tyson or do you want me to have AR?
They show the teachers like running around the city trying to buy back the guns and shit. Come on, Tyrone, I need that back.
I need that back. It's like
Jason is mine now.
Jason Bateman, mad flustered, like, come on, man.
I'm gonna be in serious trouble if you don't. I mean, I need to burn it back.
Look, listen, you're gonna have to decide right now: are you a killer or not? Because if you're not,
please, I'm begging, give me back the blicky.
Yeah, come on.
Blicky sticky now.
No.
Yeah,
give me blickies.
Give me back the blicky now. I'm your teacher now. Global studies now with the global now.
Yo, imagine that dude being your teacher.
Tekashi 69 is your teacher?
Oh my god. Nigga, today we want to do some calculus. I'm a flippy Pythagorean.
Put your books away. It's a pop-up quiz.
What your niggas got on the SAT? What?
Show me all the work. Show me all the work.
Like, no,
episode 102 of your boys, Bodega Boys, episode
That's
102.
Right.
It's been your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. D Device, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pack and Say Fat Like Cheerio, a.k.a. Chris Stapps with Sling Dick, a.k.a. Eli Lippy, Bucci Billy, some of them might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Stage Fuego, Mr. Nas with a Rondo, Mil Noventa Quattro, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss, MC Lugu P, point up for 40 with your shorty. A.k.a. don't talk to me in the Upu.
I don't fucking know you, nigga.
The original, my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. This is Rosti and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Bath, Costa Mufasa, Young Chakuli, Rat the Coonery, A.K. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K. Locate. Vice K. Mahuzaka, 2 Phone Jones, Jesus H. Machina, 2 J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, Demon Dr. Bonds label, dilute, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I got my Pinot Blurry, DJ Woolley, a.k.a. listening to Washed FM. Up next, we have 16 hours of Bananarama. Wow. It's a cruel summer. Leaving you here in my heart. The car we go. Yo, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hasbro, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain no, the human memory word, the jaw, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Budcoast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human Werther's melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Gregory Popovich. More say it with your chest.
Yeah.
Oh, it was Greg Popovich. Sorry. Got ahead of myself. Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice is oppressed, but your boy never is.
Yeah.
I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova. William H. cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar.
What you want?
Forget the small change, give me big money. Wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, Catherine Square, one top left, mess and cheese. True, Rizzuto. Has to be at the money store. Holy cow. Mr. Soft Palms. All I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sunny D.
Wow.
David Uriman. These expensive. These is red bottoms. These is bloody shoes.
That's right.
Smokeem Noah. Mr. Shopping that street easy with a bad pieces like I'm usually. Please believe me. The black easy. I had to crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lorraine. La Marina. A messenger with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka a problematic bay. I'm going to clean the house, but first I'm going to mix ammonia with bleach.
Yeah, good shit. Fucking pass out. Yo, it's been episode 102, you pieces of gasura. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. I'm a fucking baby, a fucking man, a.k.a. check the guest list again, nigga. I'm right there, right next to... Oh, shit. It ain't no guest list. I'm just super popping. Yo, Jesus. Yo, tell Barry and Michelle our VIPs over here. I'll just hit Oprah on WhatsApp. Let her know we're here.
Hey.
Yo, I only smoke fucking... Yo, listen, man, I bought my daughter earrings that cost more than a well-appointed sedan because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.K.a. Bitch Mac Be Humble. A.K.a. Dick and Y'all Be Mutombo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. Motherfucker. A.K.a. Bartles Antenna. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel. A.K.a. the Dominican Dondada. Otra vez, mi gente, celebrando la independencia. Así que prende todo, bebe todo, hace todo y singa sin condón. A.K.a. Lionel Dutchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your ass ain't got 5. So don't even come over here, nigga, because we smoking straight Cali, boy. A.K.a. Tom Bracey. Your girl got my balls kind of deflated, but it's okay because I'm working on the TB12 regimen. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos by. A.k.a. Brian El Messi, MVP of Gelato. A.k.a. Zeniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some steaks. I gotta get some steaks. Hey. A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. Yo, and if you see me at Buddha Bar, nigga, you don't know me. Yeah. It's Ben Boston back in the building. I'll attach a square to the side of your head that reads your memories. Yes, I know that's every episode of Black Mirror. Ask me if I give a fuck. I just copped an Eames chair for 60 racks just to get Toppy in. Candy, you know what to do. Bust it wide. Hey. A.k.a. I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga. Please secure your benzodiazepine because I'm the Sandman. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso. A.k.a. Baby Newport 245. A.k.a. Nino Brown. A.k.a. The Extreme on CVB. Live at Key Food on Westchester Avenue. A.k.a. Pulling from 40 is your boy, Bormelos Anthony. Bang! A.k.a. From across the pond, mate. You know what it is. You know, you downloading Two's Finish. I'm just drinking my tea. I'm a rock star. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Getting double tapping from some Jessenias. Yo. I told you niggas this, man. I tell you niggas every week. If you see me at Target smacked out of my fucking gourd, opening Zoom blind bags to complete my kids' collection, shut the fuck up and look away, nigga. Mind your fucking business. I may react like an Ursine mammal, dog. You know what I'm saying? I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off organic honey and some shit I found under my sink with no label. I think it's Tilex, maybe? I could be wrong. You know what I'm saying? Hasan. ¡Tírame la fucking pista, coño! ¿Qué fue? Llegado el hijo Titi FIFA, dame luz que estamos oscuros. Y pa' todos los liceístas, se guayan. Trate para la próxima que somos aguiluchos de este lado. Llega a la grasa que yo soy un papi lindo y hermoso. Cógelo suave para no dejarte en un pozo. Bajando siempre en carro exótico con cuero exótico. Me voy a cambiar el nombre para Exotimero. Mierda, que maldito flow. Estamos encendidos. Locksmith, my nigga, every weekend we lit. Let's go. Shout out to Oscar.
Hey. You know, it is Bodega Boys, episode 102.
Yeah.
We do the art for y'all.
For y'all, man.
Shout out to
Under
anyone,
extreme conditions.
You know what I'm saying? We're going to go out there. Hopefully we don't die.
Hopefully we don't die, you know what I'm saying? We got to throw our no face hoods on.
Mero, you feeling better?
I'm feeling worse,
Your
but let's
guts
get
was
it.
hurting before, right?
Yeah, oh, fuck. Before we close, I just gotta tell you guys, bro, I need a fucking bundle, bro. Please come to 220 West 18th Street with your finest bundle. If you got Tango and cash, I'll take it, bro. Come on, I need Ricky Martin. I need something, baby. Julio, please hook me up. My mom's a fucking bitch. She gave me $10. I know I owe you 30, bro. Please put me on the board.
Michael Anthony, let them end their fucking podcast.
No,
oh my God.
No, I can't.
Oh my God.
I can't. My fucking guts hurt.
Hasan wants to go home. They're closing the lights off at Red Bull.
The public needs to hear this.
Oh my God.
I asked Hasan for a plug.
It's episode 102. They'll be back next door. Oh my Mikey.
I hope I don't fucking die.
So do I. Let's go to Corner Furniture.
Oh yeah.
We out.
Da 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 da.